Hello everyone, today is Sunday 19th of November and we are here for a weekly market kya lagta hai analysis. So we have a Nifty as well as Bank Nifty daily chart in front of us and we can see Nifty is playing a stronger index and Bank Nifty is playing a weaker index. Now if we take a look at the daily chart, it is pretty much evident that Bank Nifty has formed a temporary top or a temporary high and from there it has started to correct, but at the same time Nifty is a stronger index and that is not showing kind of weakness. Still, whatever the action that has happened on Friday is within the high and low of Thursday's candle. Okay, let us quickly go and check the WhatsApp message for the day. So on Friday I mentioned Nifty range may be 19,400 to 19,800 and a Bank Nifty range may be 43,500 to 44,500. Now daily uptrend is ongoing and we are still looking for intraday trades only. Dow theory changes to bullish above 19,850. Now if you remember, on a Thursday as well, Nifty could not close above 19,850. Retest of 850 done. Price may consolidate around the current zone for a while. So this is where the hint was. For Bank Nifty, the level may be 44,710. As explained, Bank Nifty is a weaker of the two indices. So still no positional view for me. And the follow-up message, Nifty at a crucial junction with a retest of 19,850 level. We can expect market to consolidate, gather some strength before the next breakout. So this pause, so current period, this pause may give us some retracement or consolidation which needs to be monitored carefully. Trade can be initiated basis confirmation on a 15-minute or hourly time frame. If we get a follow-up to yesterday's bearish move, then Bank Nifty would be a better index to trade. For a bearish trades, Bank Nifty would be a better index to trade. Everything said and done, the gap down was a vicious gap down and then there was a consolidation after that. So not much of a scope for an intraday trader like me. Now, when we take a look at this action in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, one thing is pretty certain that Nifty is showing certain strength in current market, and at the same time Bank Nifty is not so strong. Bank Nifty is showing some kind of a weakness and it has already corrected more than 500 points, 577 points from Thursday's close. Now it would be interesting if we get some bounce within this particular range in coming week or so, is something that we need to analyze. So let's go to Nifty chart first. Now see, on a Nifty chart, if you take a look, this is our range 19,800 and 19,400. This is where the SAP also lies. Now typically I'm expecting market to be within this particular range. It may occasionally go back and retest this level of 850, but it looks difficult as of now immediately to break out above this level. So the idea is pretty simple. For this entire week, we should, even if we retest this level of 19,800 or 850, we should see some kind of a profit booking or a sideways action in this coming week or this coming period is what the expectation, and slowly gradually we should start moving towards 19,400. Now this is about Nifty. As we are looking at the Nifty chart, see, major of the moves are happening through gaps, gap up and gap down, right? So all these gaps and gap downs, random moves will be difficult to trade, because let's say someone holding a positional kind of a trade, and if suddenly the next day there is a gap down opening, then again there is a gap up opening. So these kind of moves are difficult to catch for sell today, buy tomorrow kind of a thing. So buy today, sell tomorrow, or BTST or STBT. So that will be difficult. So precisely what I have suggested is that let us trade for the intraday period for some time till we get clarity, and probably if we get a higher low kind of a scenario in both the indices in next week or so, then that will be a good level from where we can consider going for a positional trade. It can be either positional long or a positional short. That confirmation we are still to get. So let us quickly go to Bank Nifty and understand how Bank Nifty trend looks like. Now Bank Nifty has already completed the target of lower level of the range, that is 43,500. It was a vicious fall on the basis of some announcement by RBI. Now this rally and the retracement, this should ideally give us some kind of a healthy retracement is our expectation. It is going to be bullish above 44,710. Now again I'm expecting it to show us some kind of a bullish move, and it should linger around in this area. If at all it breaks below this zone, then and only then we'll look for a breakout, and the next target of 43,000 or so is something that we can expect. Now here in this phase, from this low to this high, so typically the 50% retracement level comes to 43,260, and a 0.61% retracement or 61.8% retracement would be around 43,000 odd level. So these two can act as a target for us, right? So this is going to be my first target. If at all we get a breakdown below this, right? So right now it seems we are in a range bound scenario. Whatever selling is taking place, the buyers are aggressive enough to absorb those sellings. Okay, so I'm not very aggressively bullish or aggressively bearish. The market with the low wicks in current scenario, it is proving to be a sideways kind of a bet, not very aggressive moves. But if at all it breaks below this, see on this day we saw a 5% rise in wicks. On this day wicks was almost as good as neutral. So it has to decisively break below the low of 43,500, and then and only then these next two targets might get completed. Nifty on the other hand is a stronger index of the two. So first it has to reach to the lower part of the range. So the journey would be from this 19,700 to 19,400 odd level. So we have to observe this. I will not try to short Nifty. If at all I need to short market, I will look for Bank Nifty to short this index. That's it from me in this short episode. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do write to me in comment box if this analysis is helpful to you, or if you have any questions, please let me know. Chalo, take care. I'm signing off. Bye bye.